guys, it's me. Welcome back to another video in my channel. So today I'm going to play Apple Story 3. I don't know the game. So let's start. I'll be here one more time. Well, that's a nice room. Yeah. Secret mission. Secret mission. Oh, we have the airplane. Yeah. I'm going to not die because half the time I'm dying. So I hope I cannot die. So well. Please don't talking so long. Okay, here we go. Why this? Why I have this? Oh. Hi. Where is she? Oh, had the iPad. What? What is this? Welcome everyone. I'm going to I'm probably wondering why I do you guys here. Okay. Oh, we have the logo of tree. Well. I'm the Roblox and started enemy general. Okay, general. You can call me General Bonjour. Well, that's your name. 1 point. Everything should say to one order, or else you will explain it for the team. I don't want to be explained for the team. So now be nice. Please sit. Yeah, I'm sitting on this chair. Guys, respect me. I am the queen. Well, I'm just kidding. I cannot move. Just get it on the point, okay? What is the point? Probably. Well, how is it? Who is that guy? Well, this is your artage. His name is Ronald. Okay, we have investigate and all know he is a dangerous Robloxian. Okay, what he did do? That's a herring. Okay, and Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. What? Oh no! Everyone was being danger. Yeah. Sadly, that's also right. Looking at the plane is plate flying out of the lost mud. Everyone is safe. Are you seriously? I took a photo of you. Our mission is stop Ronald. Yeah. We need to find the planet so everyone gets safely. Yeah, because I don't need a crash of airplane. Okay. What is that room? What is this room? We got to get the plane. What is this room? What is this room? Show me what is this room? Wow. Oh my god! What is this? Well, what is this? Guys, what is this? I'm going here. Oh, hey, come on. I'm going here. That's, yes. This is a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. No, that's not a trap. Oops. I get it. I don't. Oh my god. Going down. Yeah, now we're going down. I go to the blue. I'm going to the blue. What? This is an elevator or something? That's not a trap. Trap. Wow. I cannot do it. Let me be in you. I can't just look again around. Yeah. But I cannot be here. Yeah. Oh, I have to do. Yeah, blue. Team blue is here. Yes. So, all of the girls are in pink. Hey. Hey guys. Why you don't wearing this? Why this is pink? I hate pink. Oh my gosh, we have one. But I cannot buy. What? No, that's too expensive. For one thing, say goodbye to your avatar. Oh, unpurchase it. I'm going to follow you. Looking at the planes. Taking the planes. I have the airplane. What is this? And what? None full. No, this look at like we don't have any food. We need to check completely. But before we can check off, okay, and yes, that's full nose. Oh yeah, that's party I can really die, but I try my best to not die and complete all of the story well. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to just to try to die because I'm tired of the time. Here we go. I'm going to do the red one. I like a red too. Wow. But I wanted to do the blue one, but it looked like hard. No, it's okay. But I can even not see. Here we go. Now I have the red tape. Please. Oh, yes, I don't have any change of image. Guys, where are you? I'm not going out. What? How well they are all dying or what? No, they are. The blue one looks pretty, really. Let me do it. No, you are going to die, girl. Girl, no. Oh, this one. I'm going to do the green one. Okay. Here we go. Oh no, I hate this. No, I don't have to take anymore. Yes. I cannot. Mais maintenant tu dois tout me refaire commencer la vidéo. Bravo maman, maintenant.